Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDC wallet address on Bitmart. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bitmart application. Once you have logged into your Bitmart account, then you need to tap on Assets at the bottom right corner. Now click on Add Crypto button, and from this window, Deposit Method window, you need to choose Deposit via Crypto Network. But from this list of currencies, you need to search for USDC and simply select this coin. After that, you need to choose a network. So simply select any network as per your requirements. So I will simply select Ethereum network and click on confirm. And before confirm, make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds. Now click on confirm, and here you can see your USDC wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDC wallet address on Bitmart. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.